Okay, our first study in management of stress is a cognitive one, and it's by Meichenbaum. Now, his aim is to test the effectiveness of stress inoculation therapy and compare its effectiveness with desensitization, but also to compare its effectiveness against no therapy at all when looking at exam stress. Now, it's a field experiment. The participants answered an advert in the local press to take part in a study on stress anxiety, so they were a self-selected sample. There were 21 students between the age of 17 and 25 years, and they were after help for their anxiety and exam stress, which they were finding they couldn't cope with and was affecting their health as well as their grades. Now, they were tested by a self-report before any therapy started, and that was just to see a baseline measure of how bad their anxiety was. Now, it was single blind, which means they didn't know which group they were allocated to, so it was a random allocation into 3 groups of either stress inoculation therapy, desensitization, or a control group. So the results of the experiment, the field experiment, was that the stress inoculation therapy reduced stress anxiety and seemed to be the most effective. But also desensitization was also shown to be effective in reducing exam stress. Now, this is compared to the control group who had no treatment at all, and they showed no improvement over the 8 sessions, over the time it took for those 8 sessions. So what we can conclude is that any treatment is better than none. However, stress inoculation therapy produced more significant results than the behavioural desensitization. So for reducing exam stress, it appears that a cognitive approach, cognitive therapy, seems to be the most effective.